Hi, this is my eBay sales video for the end of January 2020. I've already made one for the beginning of the month, and this is my second one. Next is a college textbook, The Enjoyment of Theater. I just used this in my intro to theater class. I paid about 70 for it and sold it for 51.25. This is my eBay sales for the end of January 2020. This is a baby sweater, girls. It was just kind of sitting around at my house. Had it for a while. Didn't pay for it, I don't think, and I sold it for $1.50. This is a old Oshkosh Bagosh uh, blue jean overall dress. It's a vintage V-back, and I should have sold it for more, probably around $8, but it just went for $1.50. This is a vintage Looney Tunes sleeper, and it sold for $8.30, and it's just something that had been sitting around for a while too. Last but not least is this Carriage Boutique dress. I'm actually going to regret selling this and mailing it. I probably paid 99 cents for it at a thrift store, sold it for $9.99. So overall I made about $70 profit. Thanks for watching.